I think I can eat sushi like forever. Give myself a little trim. Yay. Curtain bangs still here. I'm watching Joy's video.
Trying to make a baby is every month that
Okay, December daily day 3. Today was a little bit of a hectic day, as you saw in the vloggy bits. And honestly, it kind of felt like a repeat of what happened on Tuesday or December daily day 1. But I think it's because we were finishing up the egg drop challenge, which is thankfully over now. I can finally stop having nightmares about planning for that. So it's all good. And today's journaling spread is a little bit more, I guess, different actually. It's a little bit more illustrative and less collagey. I did do this one little collage that you can see right now, which incorporates some vellum, some plaid pattern paper, and my calendar tearaway freebie. I added some mistletoe, and I actually forgot what mistletoe looked like, so I went on Instagram to look at like pictures of mistletoe, and they in fact have white berries. Wow, I can't believe I forgot. I have the video right in front of me. But yeah, they have white berries, and I just do that with my Posca paint markers. I also wanted to incorporate some stamping, so I used my roller date stamp and just stamped the date on some plain white paper just to add a little bit of like plainness into the spread because everything is so patterned right now. So I added that to the spread. And then you saw me going on a few Instagram pages. I was actually looking at my friend Paula. Her Instagram is Meow Paw Journals, and she actually compiled a whole bunch of December challenge lists and like other like December activities that you can participate in, because sometimes when you're participating in December daily, you might get a little bit stuck in terms of like what to add in your journal or like what you want to draw or talk about. So there are a whole bunch of prompt lists out there, and she compiled a whole bunch, and I actually chose one from the artist or the Instagram pages Ilari Pops, I think, or Ilaria Pops. I'll leave it down in the description bar below. But the prompt list is quite simple. I like it, and it's straightforward. And today's prompt was Holiday Gnome. And I decided to choose this prompt list mainly because this spread actually is pre-decorated, as you know, and on the left-hand side of the spread, the dictionary page collage actually has the word holiday highlighted in yellow, and I thought I would just make that connection and draw a holiday gnome on the other side. It's a pretty like simple connection, but I thought it was like a perfect chance to like tie those two things together. And I really enjoyed drawing this. This is actually a drawing style that I've been like gravitating to. If you followed my what is it called, Peachtober, it's the Inktober list prompt list that Furry Little Peach hosts. She's an amazing illustrator and she makes videos on YouTube as well. But I followed her prompt list and I have been really enjoying like this like no line work or minimal line work style of doodling and drawing. And I'm still toying around with things because honestly, like, I don't really know what my art style is right now or like my drawing style. I feel like I kind of have a grasp of like how I like to journal, but at the same time, like, it changes so frequently because I like the vintagey style sometimes, but I also really like the cutesy, colorful stuff. So I don't know, I'm all over the place, but I really enjoy drawing in this style because I don't know, it's just so happy and joyful, and that's the vibe that I want in my life. Just happy, joyful, and fun and young and childlike. I think that's like the main thing. Like I really like that whimsical and like childlike illustration style. Um, and I know things will change and morph, and the more I draw, the more things will kind of evolve. But yeah, I've been liking that. And this is kind of like where I think my ugly sketchbook kind of looks like, but I also really like watercolor too. So I don't know, I'm still like grappling and like thinking about the idea of like exploring different art styles and stuff because to be honest, like I haven't been doodling and drawing for very long. It all started when I got obsessed with like traveler's notebooks, and it's like a fun hobby to explore because I don't know, like I never was the most artistic person growing up. I actually was a drama geek. I would classify myself as a drama nerd back in the day, but now, yeah, I never thought I would be like drawing online. So that's always fun. But yeah, I wanted to make a simple gnome drawing, and then I wanted to make it kind of like a botanical illustration where it has like a figure number and then like the name of like the species of animal that's like in the botanical or like encyclopedia illustration book. Yeah, I don't know if that makes sense to you. I don't think I explained it very well, but yeah, I just went for like that simple look, and I actually didn't complete my journaling because I'm pretty pressed for time. It's pretty late in the evening, so I'm gonna continue my journaling in the next day. But I hope you enjoyed this journaling session. It's a little bit different from my usual journaling style, and this is just more like a sketchbook style, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. I'll see you all tomorrow for December Daily Day 4. Take care, everyone, and stay safe.